Itis means inflammation. Once again, correlated with our research, right? So, inflammatory markers, if it has to get down, you will have to improve the tolerance capacity of your body. And that's how our research also says in 4 weeks, by doing Kumbhak, the inflammatory markers comes down. So itis means inflammation. When it is about gastritis, there are 2 more factors that you need to take, or bulky, in fact, 3 more factors that you need to take into consideration. What are those? The strength of your liver, the functional strength of your liver, the gut health, and the third factor is the metabolic strength of your body. So the liver functionality, we have seen the liver function improves by doing Kumbhak. The second thing is gut health. You can take a little support from outside in terms of probiotic, prebiotic, postbiotic. And the second factor is improving the peristaltic movement of your gut, which is correlated with something called as Naga Vayu. Naga Vayu can be improved by Naga Kumbhak. So whenever there is a case like gastritis and problems related to gut, we specially give that person a special customized Kumbhak to improve the gut functioning, the peristaltic movement of gut. The third thing is metabolic strength. Metabolic strength directly correlates with breath hold in terms of if you can inhale for a certain count, say, if you can inhale for a count of 10 seconds, if you can hold your breath for 40 to 50 seconds, then your metabolic strength will keep on improving. So one of the few immediate result that we observe in people who have started Kumbhak is their hunger quotient becomes good and their digestion improves. So gut health in all 3 ways, liver health, peristaltic movement, and metabolic health can be improved through Kumbhak. There is a little support that you can also take from outside in terms of probiotic, prebiotic, postbiotic, those kind of stuff, as well as liver tonic. If you say natural liver tonic, if you use, it will be of some help. There can be many reasons for swelling of legs. One of the reason is there is something called as Udan Vayu, the upward thrust, the upward force, the upward movement in your body has become weak. So this is called as Udana Vayu or Udana Shakti. Something in you which keeps you upright. The strength of your body to keep itself upright and move things upwards. Now, one other thing that you can observe is we are a living being, moving being, but in trees also, in plants also, things move from roots up to the leaves at the top. And how does nutrient and water move up a tree? It always moves in a pressure gradient from higher pressure to lower pressure. So if the pressure ecosystem of your body is not okay, it will be very difficult for things which are downwards to move upwards. By doing Kumbhak, you are correcting the pressure ecosystem of your body. In Ayurveda, that is called as Vata Dosha. Vata. Pressure is called as Vata. Kumbhak is the only mechanism to create pressure in the body in a right manner if you do it with a certain formula. So, one thing is the upward movement, the Udana factor has become weak, which can be corrected through Kumbhak. The second thing is if the kidneys are not doing its work properly, even then there can be swelling in legs. Kidney function can be improved by doing Kumbhak. In both the ways, Kumbhak will be very helpful.